All right, go time. Where do we start? I think we're down here. Oh, I gotta do that. I gotta try that. The hammer thing to see how hard you can hit? Oh, I'm getting nervous. Those cars are way dirtier than I thought they were gonna be.
Oh, well, it's a big ass hammer.
Yeah. They're 10 minutes in? 10 minutes left. Yeah. It seems like everybody is doing the same strategy of like it looks like they're pre-cutting their film and then they're installing. Because there's only 9 minutes left and like some dudes only have half a window installed right now. So time-wise, that's not stressful because I was worried I'd be running out of time and now I'm like looking at other people and I'm like, oh shit, they're running out of time too. So look, this guy's trying to bottom load. We're not allowed to take stuff apart, so I don't know how he's gonna bottom load. So I'm gonna cover my door panels, but I don't see anybody else covering door panels anywhere. This is making me more nervous because I'll be doing this tomorrow. All right, so we're not doing the quarter windows. They're supposed to have all the cars on trickle chargers so the battery doesn't die. Oh look, the flat glass competition.
I would say.
I like that they have a bunch of weird shaped windows for that.
Oh yeah, I heard that was the only for this year.
Yeah, instead of just doing square. You can see that guy's butt crack.
Oh.
So part of the points is like keeping everything clean too. So you have to like wipe down the car back off after you're done. And you have to put all your stuff away. You can't have any of your tools exposed. Oh, watch out, yeah. You can't have any of your tools exposed. Look, he's shaving the windows. He's doing it wet too, that's really hard. I'm at a disadvantage not being able to file, man. It's like, so this guy right here, he literally has 5 minutes left. He's shaving this edge wet, and it's like one mistake with that, and he's screwed. I'm hoping my my hand cutting skills are like on point tomorrow. 4 minutes left to install that. Look, this guy has most of his window dry. Oh, well, we probably didn't see it, but he only like did the edges, left most of it dry. Oh, look, there's oh, this PPF over here. We should have gotten Hugo. I was about to say, this guy's in a full Tyvek suit. Yeah.
Dude, you're not getting contamination on it.
Yeah, I need one, man. Dude, these guys are like using their heat guns on everything, man. All the trash has to be picked up, all that. The car has to be wiped back down. I'm worried about the time, to be honest, man. Yeah. I said I'm worried about the time, to be honest. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah.
What heat are you?
6.
Me
So,
too.
oh, hell yeah, man. Good stuff. What's your name?
Justin?
I'm Justice. Dwayne, nice to meet you, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
Justice.
Justice, yeah. Hell yeah, man. Yeah. Dude, that was the heat I wanted to be in. I wanted to be last. Yeah.
That way those sales would be stressed out.
Yeah. I was super chill like all morning and now I'm watching, I'm like, oh no, now I'm stressed. Oh, they stop us?
Yeah.
Oh.
As soon as the time goes.
Oh, I thought you just got penalized until you were done. Like I thought, oh, okay. Yeah. See, I'm not that fast, so that's what I'm worried about. Yeah. Dude, there's still streaks on that car. The 25 minutes is fast, I feel like.
It is.
Because I'll be honest,
You
man, I
can't
do.
start anything until they say that.
Yeah. All hand cut everything, yeah. Are they starting us like over here?
Yeah, so you start here, everybody come here. As soon as they say competitors enter,
Yeah.
you enter, you have 2 minutes to enter, put all your stuff on, and then start your checklist.
Okay.
After
Yeah.
that 2 minutes, they say go and you gotta start.
Okay, cool. Is this your first competition? You've done one before?
My third.
Third? Okay, hell yeah, man. Yeah, this is my first one, so I don't know how this is. Gonna roll.
We'll be all right.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the time.
Yeah.
You do that.
He's gonna psych myself out. Yeah. All right. So now they're gonna do the grading. So this is new. I didn't realize that this guy didn't finish, and so you have to stop everything you're doing if you don't finish. So it seems like a lot of the guys all cut, and then installed. I think I'm gonna, which I already told myself this is I'm gonna cut, install. Nerves are getting to me. Let's go look at the fusion tools. Do something different. And then like once you're done, they have to take you away and you can't talk to anybody during grading. And then you have to come back and pick up your stuff and clean up and shit. So, oh, that's cool.
I bought one.
Fusion, huh? Yeah, no, fusion tools are my favorite. I saw this stuff and had to come over. Alex, you want to do this?
No way.
I feel like I was really bad at that. You can try. I'll film you, dude. I can be the videographer. We can do it as a team. Yeah, white lab coats, all that, yeah. There's two different cars for this. There's Nissan Altimas and Hyundai Sonatas. Hyundai Sonatas have like a much deeper gasket on the sides. And then the Altimas have a much shorter one. So the Altima is actually gonna be an easier car. Like they're both not like super complicated. It's not like a Lucid or anything, but it still feels like there's a little bit of a difficulty difference between those two. Just a small one. But I got some techniques for Sonata, and it looks like most of the cars are Sonatas, so more than likely I'm gonna end up on one of the Sonatas. But I got plans for it, so. But I want to do an Altima. Yeah. I want to see when the next heat starts and everything. I want to do do you want to go see if I can hit the hammer thing? Yeah. Oh, I guess so. Yeah, I do, yeah. I saw somebody else doing it and I want to try. Okay. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's
So just,
you.
yeah.
Just slam
Yeah.
it as hard as you can.
Okay.
And this is the
High score right now, 922.
922? Okay. Two hands overhead, is there like rules to it? Yeah. Okay. I've never slammed a hammer before, so let's see.
No, you do.
Yeah. I don't know if I did that well.
Hey, not far. You're not far.
Oh, okay. I can do better. I feel like I can do better. Yeah. I do? Oh, two?
Two tries. Just the face flashing.
I get a second try? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you go ahead.
Okay. That one felt better.
That sounds really good.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
I was close.
Lunch, come back.
Yeah.
You
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Dude, I thought I was gonna. Did too many push-ups this morning.
Justice Rodriguez is also here for the first time, and he admits he is just as nervous as he is psyched. So you are a first-time competitor, is that right?
Yeah, first
So
time.
tell me a little bit about what brought you here, why you decided to compete in this year's event.
Okay, so I've been doing window tint for I've basically been in the industry my whole life. My dad's been doing this since the 80s, so I've grown up in the back of tint shops, and I've always wanted to do the competition, but it's always I take off work and go and travel and stuff. My boss came to me in January. He was like, "Hey man, I want to do window tinting competitions. You think you could win one?" And I was like, "There's only one way to find out." So we went and set it up, and here I am. So
Okay.
yeah.
So what have you been doing to get ready for this day?
Unfortunately, working. Like, so we've been super busy. You know, this is the busy time of year whenever it's like, you know, the hottest months where everybody wants like cars tinted. So I didn't get to do as much like individual training as I wanted to, because like there's a couple things that are different, like competition rules rather than like how I normally would install in the shop. Like I prefer bottom loading whenever I'm installing doors, but here like you can't take anything apart, so you gotta top load.
Day one of the actual show was today. So luckily my heat wasn't going today, so I don't actually start tinting until tomorrow. So, which I'm actually really glad, because I would have hated to be in that first group. I got to check and see like how tedious the judges are, which is very, like it's insane. I got to talk to a few guys who have done a few years of competitions. So I hope that they were being friendly and giving me good advice instead of just telling me stuff that's gonna mess me up. So I have a pretty good plan on how I want to do this now. I got to watch a couple of different heats go. And it looks like time is a big thing for bothering a lot of people, because there's quite a few people who didn't finish time-wise. A lot of people who did, so we're gonna, you know, time seems to be a big factor. And like I can tell with how tedious the judges are that I'm gonna have to be on my A game, which I kind of expected anyway. A lot of cool stuff happened though. I got to ride the bull. That was cool. There's a mechanical bull. There's a climbing wall I'm going to climb tomorrow before I do my tinting thing. So hopefully I don't get hurt before I compete. Yeah, and we gotta walk around. I gotta see some people I haven't seen in the industry in a long time. So that was a lot of fun. I got to talk to our 3M rep. We got to talk about crystalline a whole bunch. I got interviewed by Window Tint magazine, so that's supposed to be on their Instagram. So hopefully that's there. And like, I don't know, I had a pretty good time, you know, just hanging out. There was no food there, which I'm a little bummed about because I'm starving now. But yeah, today was a good day. So tomorrow, game plan, just wake up, chill. I'm the last heat, so I won't be competing until this time tomorrow. So game plan, chill day, wake up, just be as normal as possible, get all my tools and everything together ready. I don't actually have to be present until like, I think it's like 5 p.m. is when I pick up my film and everything and start getting ready. And then go from there, you know? So I have a very much a nervous bladder, so I will have to pee right before the contest starts, and I'll probably have to pee like 2 or 3 times because it's just how I am. But it's gonna be, but I'm excited, I'm ready, and you know, it's a good day. Alex filmed a whole bunch of cool stuff too, so we're gonna, been working all day, you know? Yeah, and so see you tomorrow, see how well I do. Let's push for the finals, you know?